Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to make a virtual narrator in Python. So first of all we are going to need the package to convert our text to speech. So I'll put this link in the description below, and under the installation copy this code and then go to PyCharm or any other editor and open up the terminal and paste this and it will install the necessary package. So as you can see, I have installed the package for this. So next we need to import the package we just installed. So import pyttx3 and then we need to initialize the package. So I create an object named friend and then pyttx3 dot initialize as init. So next we must tell our friend to say something. So friend dot say apostrophe and hello world. So next we must make a waiting time for our friend when converting the text to speech. So friend run and wait and let's see if it works.
Hello world.
So it works. So next we can change the rate and the volume of our friend. So in order to see the default rate, we can name rate equals friend dot set get property and inside apostrophes rate and then let's print the rate. So the default
Hello world.
rate is 200. So we can change the rate by saying friend dot, we need to set the property and inside apostrophes rate and the default rate is 200. We can increase it up to 300 or 400, then we can hear the voice more faster.
Hello world.
So next we need to see the volume. So let's write volume equals friend dot get property and the default volume, we need to print it then.
Hello world.
So the default volume is 1. We can change the volume as we change the rate. So friend dot set property and inside apostrophes volume and then we'll increase the volume up to 4. So let's see if it works.
Hello world.
Okay, so next we can change the voice to female or male. As you heard, the default is male. So we need to first get the voice. So voices equals friend dot get property and voices. So then we need to set the property of the narrator as friend dot set property and voices. The default for male is 0 and the 1 means female. So dot id. So let's see if it works.
Hello world.
Okay. So then we can change the file to a mp3 file in our project. So we can do this by saying friend dot save to file and the text as hello world and give a file name. So I'll say test dot mp3. So we need to put this in apostrophes. Okay, so run this.
Hello world.
And you can see the test.mp3 over here. So we just created a virtual narrator or friend that will convert our text to speech, and so that's it for this project.